Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. A big hello if you're new. Today we're in Cheshire East and we're going to explore an old abandoned village. Are you ready for this? Let's do it. Right, I'm going to start off here. I'm just going to walk that way and there's a mansion along here. I just wanted to show you this swing because it's kind of cool, isn't it? This is the mansion. Part of the village. What a grand building, eh? Knock on door. Wow. Yeah, I like this place. Imagine what this would look like when you were in its prime. When there was someone living here, keeping it maintained. Oh, there's Debbie there. You alright, Debbie? Yeah, because this location's a bit far out, Debbie drives and she gives me a lift because she does content material as well for YouTube, so we thought we'd both come and check it out. There were another group as well that I've just got off that came to it. I think they've already got the content. It's fair enough, innit? I just mess about a bit. Oh, is that sunbed? Sky dish there. Yeah, there's major gaps in roof. Floor's not too bad. It just wants a bit of TLC. Bit of TLC and yeah. So I don't know if you can hear the floor squidging. It's a bit squidgy. I feel like if you don't take certain risks, then you won't really live life to the fullest, if you get me. You gotta take a bit of risk. Yeah. Oh wow. Looks to be an old bar. Right, who wants a pint? Big glass beer. Get pumped. Yes, there you go. There you go, pal. Enjoy. Yeah, that's awesome, isn't it? Awesome. An old caravan here. Bit smashed up. Toilet. Toilet. Does anyone need a jacket? There's one here for you. Not contour. There. And a coke there. Does anyone remember these TVs? I used to have one of them bad boys. Bet it still works. June 2014. It's like rabbit droppings, but I don't think it is. I think it's clear pebbles. That's what it is. I clarified that one. It's the first house complete. Go through the jungle. Through the jungle, baby. Similar kind of layout with stairs. Kitchen. A bit wrecked. Oh, this one, there's not much in here. There's no sofa or TV or anything. It's a nice fireplace. I like this doorway as well, that's kind of cool. Check it out upstairs. Looks like something from Jumanji. Roof. Attic. View of outside. Beautiful. Some fancy wallpaper, isn't it? Postman Pat. Where's your black and white cat? He's there. He's there. To the next one. Diana, Princess of Wales. Her funeral. 6th of the 9th, 97. This is a view of the living room. Not as nice as the first one with a bad boy TV, but yeah. Oh, still food in here. Bag of chips, ice cream. Beautiful. Beautiful. Check it out upstairs. Having fun. Hello? Don't work. Unfortunate. Logitech. Logitech. Baby. check this one out. Bit dark in this one. I think that's a bottle of pee. It could be orange juice, that's kind of a bit weird. Whoa! Shit! Ah! 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 Men down! Men down! Ah! I just fell down that. Ah! Yeah, got me a treat. Wow. Still gonna go upstairs, huh? That's some funny shit. Some vinyls here. Oh wow, look at this. That's awesome. Oh, cassettes. Yes. Proper retro. No, that's what I call 47. Yeah, baby. I'm excited. Love stuff like this. Proper retro. #1 dance party album. Another year older, another year wiser. Sounds about right. Dream on. Don't think about it too much. Happy birthday to my mum. Don't get too drunk. Yeah. Well, I'm respecting your stuff. Sorry I fell through your staircase, but it's what it is, isn't it? Quite hard to spotted in with all this ivory. It is an old telephone box. How awesome is that? Nature has took over it. And nature has took the phone out as well. Take a peek in here. Oh, what's that? Looks like some potent stuff anyway, whatever it is. Oh, someone's been naughty. And they've dumped all their cards on the floor instead of putting it through people's letterboxes. Dumped them all here. Naughty, naughty. Oops. Got a crimbo tree. Yeah, I think this is just like the office department. Loads of files and stuff. Cool though, isn't it? Is that a safe? 2 safes. That's quality. Doesn't open, does it? Not today, Johnny boy. Not today. Shame that people come in and smash it up, innit? Can't really have out these days. A.W. Jenkins, Forest Products. So, but with a drum at first. But, yeah. Canteen, baby. Where's the kettle? Need a brew. Come on. It's not good enough, guys. Everyone, meet Bob. Hello, Bob. Stroke him. Ah, yes. You're a good cat. Ammonia. That's not good. That's not good. Sounded like I heard someone then, but gentlemen. Oh, I just went into ladies. Sorry, ladies. Do apologise. I can tell it's guys because it smells a bit funky in here. A bit funky. Someone's been here in 2025. I'm here in 2026. Another retro TV. Quality. That's a nice table, that. Very grand. Yes, yes. Fibertron. Yeah, I don't know if that site there is an active site. Looks to be active. But we're on this side, so everything is alright. This site is abandoned. Everyone, meet Timmy. Hello, Timmy. How you doing? As you can see, he's been here since 2013. 13 years he's been here now. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed it. Peace.